Good morning students, myself Rajesh sir. Today we are starting the object drawing, different objects and basic objects. So let's start the object drawing. Hello students, today I will show you the basic shapes that can be converted into object and how to do the shading for the basic shape. Here you can see one cylinder shape as drawn here. Okay. Now if you will consider light direction from this side, so how you can color it? First you should know the pencil shading. Okay, see now this will be the light portion here, then middle tone and the dark tone, and upper one the light tone, and here with the cast shadow. These are the guidelines when we are doing the drawings. I will erase this guidelines first and then I will start showing, because this is very important, you should know. Okay, so this portion light, middle and dark, but it should be merged. So I will show here. You have to observe it and you have to do. Then you will be able to do the basic objects properly. These are the lines are used to the rendering. You can do like this also. Okay, whichever you are comfortable, you can do it. I will make it dark. Okay, so dark to light, light, middle, dark, but we have to merge it. Not the planes, because it is round shape. So properly it should merge. Okay. So like this you can go from dark to light. So here dark, middle, and I will now take the light pencil to the light drawing. So like this dark to light you can go. Smoothly merged. Don't pressure the pencil, dark to light easily. Slowly you have to merge it. So you will understand how to do This is very important to understand, because maximum shapes which are coming in the cylindrical shape, vertical shape, can be colored like this, dark to light. So first, if you will practice with pencil, you will understand how to color it. Pencil shading you must know. Now you can see a light tone, middle tone, dark tone. Okay, can you see it properly? So now I will try to show the. So if any object is like this, for example, any water bottle, is there, so you can color like this. Okay, same part will here is dark, middle and light, and here will be the light portion like this, because this is round shape. So what we will do, I will show here in the circle, sphere. Okay, so you will understand this portion how to go till the, it will the same, dark, middle and light, but here it will turn because round part. So here I will show it. This part will dark, middle and the light portion. This middle, this will dark and this will dark, because it is sphere. This will middle and this will be light. Okay, now you can see the light portion, middle tone, dark tone. Okay, so this is like a water bottle. Okay, upper part, and here is the angle. So this half portion of this sphere will be here, means light to dark, this will go like this, but light portion will move like, according to this it will move light portion, then middle, and then dark. Okay, so you have to understand. Now in this sphere you can see if any object is like this, for example, so any object is like this, you can shade like this. So here we will be dark, and here dark, here light, and see it will come like this. Okay, so these objects you can do properly. That is why you have to study these basic shapes, cylinder and sphere. Okay, these are smoothly merging light to dark, no patches. Okay, if there is like this shape, there will come the patches. Okay, here will light, middle, and dark. Okay, this portion will dark, this portion middle, and this is dark and upper. If we will consider light from this direction, here also same, I have taken the light from this direction. Okay, now this is here also, if you will consider like this, this light, middle, dark, very simple. Okay, so dark portion will be here, fully, here will be the middle tone, and this will be the light tone. Very simple. One plain patch, here one plain patch, here one plain patch. Okay, here also plain patch, light, middle, dark, or light, but here is the merging. Here you can see you have to do the merging. Okay, light to dark, no patch. Here you can see the patches. Okay, like this. Full plain patch, because each plane, this is one plane flat, here is a flat, here is a flat, but this is round it. Okay, here is a round. So if you want to color this bucket, so you have to go like this. If light is this direction, light tone, middle tone, dark, and smoothly you have to merge. Okay, now here is the plain patch. Okay, this is one plane, here one, and here third. So this is the basic difference in the object. So if you will practice like this, smooth light to dark smoothly, light to dark smoothly, then you will be able to color like this objects. Okay, this is coming, bucket is coming in this basic shape, but smoothly it will turn slightly. It will not come straight, because it is the height is same. Here also measurement same, here also measurement same. Here is the difference. Here is small, here is big. So it will go slightly cross. Okay, one dark will go slightly cross, light will slightly cross, and middle will be the like this. So what you have to do? You have to do is to practice first with pencils or crayons or pencil colors. Okay, pastels. Sorry. You can use the pencil, crayons, or color pencils. Okay. And next period I will show you how to draw and color the objects. You take very small objects of your house, like a water bottle, any small bowl, okay, or glass, cup and saucer, like that object you keep in front of you first on the table. Like this you can keep one plain paper, and then keep one object and see, observe it and draw it. Okay, thank you. You all no need to draw. Okay, these two first you try, then afterwards this you try. These are very simple. These are only hard. So you practice this, then you will be able to do like bucket, dustbin, like that objects, like Barney. Okay, this. Okay, thank you.